Okay. The machine is powered on. When the machine starts to run, it will go home directly, automatic. Then we move the machine by this button. When we install the laser cut software and we double click, then we will run this software. For example, we will cut one square acrylic. We can click this rectangle, and then we can use this button is size. For example, we will cut 40 and press OK. And then we can find there is a lawyer here. We can click mode and we choose cut or engrave. Here we will cut, and if we double click speed here, we will find the set cut options. For example, the speed and power. Here we can use 80 and speed is 40 and press OK, and then press download, and press download current. Now it's okay. This cutting field has go into the machine. Now we will cut this rectangle. Before that, we can press this test to see if the material is enough. Okay. Now we will press this button to start work.